Hello everyone, and welcome. Have you ever stared at a gas chromatogram, full of peaks and numbers, and wondered how to turn that data into a simple purity percentage? Today, we are going to demystify that exact process. We will walk through the simple steps to calculate the percent purity of a sample directly from your gas chromatography results. The core concept is actually very simple, so let's dive in. First, you need to look at your chromatogram, which is the graph produced by the GC instrument. This graph has several peaks, and each peak represents a different chemical compound that was in your injected sample. The largest peak is almost always your main product, the compound you are interested in. All the other, smaller peaks typically represent impurities. The most crucial piece of information your GC software provides is the area under each peak. This is usually found in a data table next to the chromatogram. The fundamental principle you need to understand is that the area of a peak is directly proportional to the concentration of the compound that created it. A bigger peak area means there is more of that substance. To calculate the percent purity, we use a simple method called area percent normalization. Here is how you do it step by step. Number 1, identify the peak for your main product and write down its peak area. Number 2, find the peak areas for all the other peaks on the chromatogram. These are your impurities. It is very important to include every single peak, even the tiny ones, for an accurate calculation. Number 3, add all the peak areas together. This means you add the area of your main product's peak to the areas of all the impurity peaks. This sum is your total area, representing 100% of the mixture that the detector saw. Number 4, now for the final calculation. Take the area of your main product's peak and divide it by the total area you just calculated. Then, multiply that result by 100 to convert it into a percentage. The number you get is your percent purity. For instance, if your main peak area is 950 and the total area of all peaks is 1000, your purity is 950/1100, which equals 95%. This simple calculation assumes that the detector responds the same way to all compounds, which is a good approximation for many routine lab analyses. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. I hope it helped you understand how to easily calculate percent purity from your GC data. If you found this video useful and clear, please consider showing your support by liking the video, leaving a comment with any questions, or subscribing to the channel. Your support is greatly appreciated and helps me create more educational content for everyone. See you in the next video.